Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make hot honey sauce. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Grab 1 cup of your favorite honey, 2 tablespoons of a good quality hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Make sure you have a small saucepan ready, as this will be perfect for gently heating and blending everything together. Choosing a cayenne pepper-based hot sauce will give you that classic hot honey taste. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your honey and hot sauce into the small saucepan. Place it over low heat, making sure not to let it get too hot. Stir the mixture continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. This gentle heating allows the flavors to meld beautifully without scorching the honey. It's important to avoid boiling, as this can alter the honey's delicate flavor and consistency. Once your honey and hot sauce are well combined, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. The vinegar adds a subtle tang that balances the sweetness and heat perfectly. Now, let the sauce cool completely. As it cools, you'll notice it thickens slightly, reaching that ideal drizzly consistency we all love. Your delicious hot honey sauce is now ready to enjoy. For best results, store it in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. This versatile sauce is fantastic drizzled over so many dishes, from pizza and fried chicken to roasted vegetables and even ice cream. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.